Want to instantly upgrade your plaid shirt game? I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to roll your sleeves for a cool, casual, and put-together look. Let's get started. First up, the classic forearm roll. Unbutton your cuff. Then, simply fold the cuff back once, and then a second time. Aim to stop just below your elbow. This is perfect for a relaxed weekend vibe. See how much more stylish that simple roll makes the shirt look. Next, we have the master roll. Unbutton your cuff again. This time, fold the cuff back, taking it almost all the way to your elbow. Next, fold the bottom of the sleeve to meet the bottom of the cuff. Now, fold the cuff back down, covering the freshly folded portion of the sleeve. This creates a more structured, polished look, perfect for when you want to look a bit more refined. Finally, the high roller. Unbutton the cuff. Simply push the sleeve up past your elbow, letting the fabric scrunch naturally. This gives a cool, effortless vibe. This is great when you want a more relaxed or rugged look, maybe if you're doing some light work. So there you have it, 3 stylish ways to roll your plaid shirt sleeves. Experiment and see which works best for your style and the occasion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips.